So you have some salt, and I guess you could just put it anywhere, and then you put the ice on top of it, and I guess that, you know, maybe the coldness, or I don't know, helps you vibrate or stay young and youthful, get the blood flowing, I don't know. So anyway, so you take some salt and you put it like so. Okay. Alright, and then you put some ice. Okay. Thank you guys. People are so sweet. Woo! Woo, that's cold. Very cold. Alright, and I guess you like let it stay there, and then you count to like, woo! I can feel it. Woo! I can feel it tingling, so woo! Ow! Okay, I don't know if it worked on black skin or what, but okay, maybe I gotta. That stuff started to burn. Okay, maybe it's too sensitive on this side. That started to burn. Okay. Alright, try it. Whoa. Okay, so maybe on this side. Sorry, I get things wrong. It's probably on this side. Okay. Whew. Then you put it on. La la la. Put it on like so, and then I guess you count to 60. Wow! What is going on? Ah! Oh, it's melting already. Woo! 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 1, 2, 3, 4. You're supposed to count to 60. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Woo! It's melting. Woo! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Woo! 26, 27. Woo! 27, 28. Woo! 28, 29, 30, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 47, 48, 40. Woo! 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50, 56, 57, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 56. Woo! 50, 56, 57, 50, 59, 60. Woo! That's burning. Oh, okay. Oh, you're supposed to press on it too. Ooh, it's already burning, so it's working. Woo! Woo! Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I guess that's like the new skin that's gonna peel, cause oh my goodness, I froze my skin. Uh-oh. I don't know if you, I froze my skin. My skin is, I don't know if you can, whoa, it's cold. And it's frozen right here, this whole block, these blocks. It's turning red.